Hi everyone, a very happy new year to everyone out there again. So I want to talk on something new today. I want to start out with a different series. I'm not sure if you heard about this before, and that is CMMI, Capability Maturity Model Integration. So maybe it's very new to you all. So I'm also in a learning process of the same since we are also dealing in our current role. So probably I want to make everything very basic and simple so that it's very feasible for you to understand. Since I'm also getting the same problem, so I want to get all the relevant data from the online sources definitely, and you know telling them or communicating them with you all. So let's start about very basic of CMMI. CMMI is actually a framework, right? So basically it's a framework for processes. So we already discussed about service management before. So in any service organization, there are processes against which delivery is taking place, right? And the whole processes are going to be followed in the organization, whether it's a large organization, middle medium sized organization, or smaller ones. So it basically revolves around on the base of different organizations. For example, I'm talking about a large set of organizations who are having lakhs of employees, right? So all the service based companies, so they have their certain processes to be followed and against which there are levels, right? So CMMI basically it turned out to be an audit happening for all those processes which is already there in the organization, right? Against which the organization is getting certified. So we have certain number of processes there. हमारे पास कुछ processes हैं, right? And उनकी maturity क्या है? Are they following all the standards which is mentioned? Or we already discussed about ISOs, right? So there are some certain standards against which certain processes are getting followed. So I want to talk about that in depth in my upcoming videos. So I'm hoping that you will be aligned with me. Meanwhile, you can also get the basic idea on the internet. But I want to, make sure that everything is very simple and straightforward from my side. Thank you.